I'm going to show how to properly download Stremio onto Android TV. First of all, open Google Play Store on your Android TV. From your Android TV home screen, navigate to and open the Google Play Store app. Then search for Stremio. Use the search function and type Stremio. Install the Stremio app. Select the Stremio app from the search results. Click Install. Wait for the app to download and install, then open Stremio. Once installed, open the Stremio app from your app list or home screen. Log in or create an account. You'll need to log in with your existing Stremio account or create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions. Optional step: if Stremio is not available in place on your Android TV, download the APK on another device. Download the latest Stremio APK from the official website stremio.com. Transfer APK to Android TV. Use a USB driver or file transfer app to move the APK to your Android TV. Enable unknown sources. On Android TV, go to Settings, Device Preferences, Security and Restrictions. Enable unknown source. For the file manager or app you'll use to open the APK, install the APK. Use the file manager app on Android TV to locate and install the Stremio APK. And finally, after installation, explore Stremio's content and enjoy streaming on your Android TV.